Your heart feels heavy before your day even begins. The worry wakes up with you. It sits on your chest. It whispers questions you did not invite. You try to move forward, but your thoughts pull you back. And inside that quiet moment, a question rises. Why are you worried? You wake up and check your phone. Bills wait. Messages wait. Expectations wait. Your mind starts racing before your feet touch the floor. You think about what might go wrong. You replay yesterday. You fear tomorrow. Your heart tightens, and peace feels far away. Many people live this moment every day, yet few speak about it. Worry feels productive, but it gives nothing back. It drains your energy. It steals your focus. It makes simple tasks feel heavy. You worry about money. You worry about health. You worry about family. You worry about mistakes. You worry about things you cannot control. And still, the sun rises. Time moves. Life continues. Pause for a moment. Look at your own story. Think about the worries that once kept you awake. Think about how many of them never happened. Think about how many problems found solutions you never imagined. Life did not end. You survived. You grew. That is not luck. That is care beyond your sight. Allah knows your heart better than you know it yourself. He knows every fear you hide. He knows every tear you hold back. He knows the pressure you carry in silence. And He knows the path that leads you forward, even when you feel lost. You worry because you feel alone with your problems. But you are not alone. You worry because you think everything depends on you. But it does not. Your effort matters, yet the outcome rests with Allah. Your job is to take a step. His promise is to guide the way. Look at how life works. The night does not argue with the morning. The seed does not panic about becoming a tree. Everything follows a design. You are part of that design. Your delays have meaning. Your struggles have purpose. Your timing is not broken. Worry grows when you forget who holds control. It grows when you focus only on what you see. It grows when you measure your life against fear. Trust shrinks when you forget that Allah has never failed you before. You may feel tired right now. You may feel stuck. You may feel uncertain. That feeling does not mean you are weak. It means you are human. Strength does not mean you never worry. Strength means you return to trust every time worry appears. Allah does not ask you to carry tomorrow. He asks you to live today with sincerity. He does not ask you to see the whole path. He asks you to take the next right step. When you release tomorrow from your grip, your heart finds space to breathe. Think about the moments when help came unexpectedly. A door opened. A person reached out. A solution appeared at the last moment. Those moments were not accidents. They were reminders that you are seen and supported. Worry tells you that you are running out of time. Trust tells you that timing belongs to Allah. Worry tells you that you are behind. Trust tells you that every step counts. Worry tells you that you are failing. Trust tells you that growth often feels uncomfortable. Your heart was not created to live in constant fear. It was created to find peace in remembrance. When your thoughts become heavy, return to simple words. Allah is aware. Allah is kind. Allah is near. Let those truths settle inside you. You may not understand what is happening right now. You may question the delays. You may feel frustrated. Understanding is not a requirement for trust. Faith grows when you choose calm over panic, even without answers. Every time you choose patience over worry, you strengthen your heart. Every time you turn to Allah instead of fear, you lighten your load. Every time you breathe and let go, you make space for relief. Your story is still unfolding. This chapter does not define the ending. What feels confusing today may feel clear tomorrow. What feels painful now may become a source of strength later. Allah wastes nothing. Not your pain. Not your effort. Not your tears. So ask yourself again, gently and honestly, why are you worried? The one who created you is watching over you. The one who guided you before will guide you again. The one who provided for you will not stop now. Take a deep breath. Slow your thoughts. Trust the process you cannot see. Place your heart where it belongs, in the care of Allah. If this message touched your heart, like the video. Share it with someone who needs peace today. Subscribe for more reminders that bring calm to your soul.